I am Abdul Jabbar, founder and group managing director of Hotpack Group. I reached in UAE in year 1990. I was working for a few years and then started a small business in year 1995. My brother was there as co-founder and we were having just one employee. It was a humble beginning with trading of packaging materials. In these 26 years of period, we became the regional leader for packaging materials. We have got 26 regional distribution centers. We have got 12 manufacturing units. We are operating in 12 countries. We have got 32 retail outlets and we have 3,500 products which are keep increasing. We employ around 2,700 employees from 31 different nationalities. We export to 96 countries from Caribbean island to New Zealand and then Asia to Europe. We received recently the most prestigious Smart Industry Award, Dubai Smart Industry Award in year 2020. From the beginning, we were importing and distributing food packaging materials. Within 10 years of period, we have started backward integration and the visionary rulers of this great nation has created all right recipes for every business to grow. The good infrastructures such as seaports, airports with good connectivity to the rest of the world and cost efficient talents from various part of the world and easy access to the customers, cost efficient land and building, uninterrupted power supply, on top of everything the ease of doing business, which are the key for the businesses for success of the business. I'm sure that the recent law on 100% ownership for foreigners will boost the country's economy. The golden visa for business people, professionals and highly talented students are another recent example how this country is encouraging the expatriates. All the above said investor friendly features helped us to reach what we are today. We are further expanding the business by adding more production plants with the latest industrial standards such as robotics, AI technology, and adding more distribution centers across the globe, adding more retail outlets, and our latest plant in National Industries Park with an investment of dirhams 250 million will be officially inaugurated in September 2021. We are planning to be the global leader in packaging sector by 2030. That is our vision 2030. We are highly grateful to the visionary rulers of this great nation who motivated us to dream and aim beyond the horizons. We are proud to live in such a nation which is the best place in the world to live and work. We thank Emirates News Agency WOM for arranging this interview.